So now I'll explain how to copy your sketches. For example, if you have this sketch, so you have to go and use the selection tool. So go and select your strokes like this. Then after that, with this icon, the plus icon on top of your controller, just go and touch the sketch like this. So you can see our A button is changing. So currently it's yeah, you can see this, right? It's saying press A to exit deselect mode. Yeah, so this is your deselect mode. I'll select it again. So now if I go and touch the sketch, so you can see the icon is changing. Okay, it looks like a book. That means if I hold this button for a bit long, you can see my sketch will get copied. Okay, so this is how you can copy your sketches. So next, I so next I'll explain how to copy your sketches. So for example, let me just sketch something. Yeah, so you can copy your strokes with your selection tool here. So select this, then go and select your strokes. So right now these are highlighted, you can see, and you just have to go and touch your strokes with this icon, the plus icon. You can go and touch, and you can see our A button, the one which is blinking right now, this one. You just have to go and touch, then you can see the icon changes into this book icon. So after that, hold this button for a bit long, and you can see our strokes is now copied. Okay, so this is how you copy in OpenBrush. So I've selected this 4 strokes now. I'll just go and touch this and press and hold, and you can copy. Okay, so this is your copy function. And there is one more trick with the selection tool. So if I have, for example, if I have a artwork with many different kind of brush strokes. Okay, so suppose this is one brush stroke, and let's take something different. Yeah, let's take this. Let's keep it together. Yeah, then we can see it more precisely. Okay, yeah. So right now we have this two different kind of strokes in our canvas. And if you just want to select this stroke, suppose the one without the glow, so just go to your selection. For this, you have to hold the index trigger of your left hand controller like this, keep holding it, then select the stroke which you want to select only. Okay, so I'll go and touch this. Now you can see this stroke is selected. Now if I go and try to select this different stroke will not get selected. Okay, so this is how you can like select the only stroke which you want, like this. Okay, let's see one more time. I'll hold the index trigger like this, you can see it here. Now I'll touch this sketch, I can select this, and this will not get selected. Okay, so this is your, you can say, selection filter. The feature is called selection filter. And lastly, I have one more additional tip. So most of the time your rotation will get locked. So you can see I can't rotate in this angle. Okay, it's only in this one, in a landscape, what do you say. So lastly, I have one more tip. Like whenever you try to navigate around the canvas, so you can see this icon, right, with the lock. So right now, so you can rotate, you can't rotate around different angles like this, only this one axis. So if you press, hold the both the grab trigger like this, now press the lock icon, the one which is blinking here. Okay, now it's unlocked. Now you can see you can move around and rotate like this. Okay.